Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get free live wallpapers on your Windows PC in 2026. This particular step requires no paid apps, no complicated setups, just simple tools that give your desktop a fresh animated look. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, on your Windows PC or laptop, you just have to simply launch your Microsoft Store. If you are not able to find Microsoft Store here in the taskbar, you can just click on this search icon here in the bottom. Then you can use the search bar here on the top and search for Microsoft Store. Once you are able to find Microsoft Store application, simply click on it. Then use the search bar here on the top and search for Lively Wallpaper. Lively Wallpaper is the application which is absolutely free and it is going to give you the animated wallpapers for Windows, that too absolutely free. So here click on the option of get and install the application. Once the installation is completed, click on the option of open in order to launch Lively application. In Lively, you are going to see the library of the free wallpapers, like we have waves, landscapes, neon animations and 4K loops. So all of these are the animated wallpapers. So you just have to select that particular wallpaper which you want to set as wallpaper. After clicking on the three dots right next to that wallpaper, simply click on the option of set as wallpaper. Once you do this, this particular live wallpaper will appear on your desktop or on your PC. Lively is going to turn any of the videos into the moving desktop background. You can also set the performance settings. So here in Lively, simply click on the settings icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here, you can choose pause wallpaper while gaming, lower the quality on the battery. You can stop the wallpaper when a full screen app open. So this keep your PC fast while still enjoying these types of animations. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.